Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some hot hair ideas that you can try out this fall season. So if you are currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Such a cute, shaggy pixie style to start out the video. Absolutely love the contrasting hair color, very pretty style. And then we move into our next hair transformation. Ooh, very cute undercut pixie bob style. And this is a very popular hair trend that we are seeing this fall season. Next up, we see someone with some grown out colored hair. It's like at one point she had copper and maybe some ginger color going. And it looks like she decided to switch things up with some money piece highlights, blonde in the front, brunette in the back. Very pretty. Now for this fall season, we are seeing a lot of color blocking, and money piece highlights definitely started that trend. And we're just continuing to see it take on new variations this fall. So here we have the stylist putting in some layers. As you guys know, this is a great way to add some volume, shape, and texture to your hair without doing anything too drastic or dramatic. Ooh, so pretty. And look how much fullness she has within her hair. It just looks so healthy, so volumized, absolutely gorgeous makeover. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out the rest of these hair transformations.